Okay, so let's talk about inspection types or report types. So in one of our first videos, we spoke about your dashboard and we mentioned that in your overview table, you will be able to see all of your different inspection types or report types that you've set up on your account. Now, when you're signing up for your Property Inspect account, the system does come with some generic inspection types. So, for example, inventory inspection, move in, update inspection, move out. And these are inspection types that form part of a tenancy lifecycle. There are some standalone inspection types as well. So, an interim inspection, standalone inspection, and so on. Here on my overview table, you can see that I've got quite a few, and this is because I've added a few more to my account. So if you need to manage these inspection types, you click on Settings at the top of your dashboard, then click on Reports, and click on Manage Types. Now in this view, you'll be able to see all the different categories of your inspection types. So if you click on the category, you'll be able to see all of the various inspection types for that category. If you want to edit any inspection type, click on it, and you'll be able to edit the information in the third column. So let's add a new inspection type. So I want to add it under my generic inspection type category. Here you can see that I've got quite a few, so I am going to create a new one by clicking on the plus icon in the second column. And I'm going to do the name of the inspection type, the title that I would like this report to have, I can add a short description at this point just to give me or my team a little bit more information about this inspection type. A short code. I can set the standard duration of this inspection as well. So if I know that every time that I create this inspection, it would be a standard 1 hour inspection. I can also set the life cycle type of this. So if I want to create it as a standalone inspection, or every time I add this inspection, it's going to be the first inspection for a property, I can set this up at this point. So I'm going to leave it as a standalone inspection. Under deliverable, I can choose exactly what output for this inspection I want to send out to my users or that I want to create. So do I want to create this inspection, the final report, as a web report? Do I want to create it as a document? Just a gallery of all of the images within this inspection, or just as a task. So I'm going to leave it as web report. Is this inspection a self-service inspection? You can choose this between yes or no. And then you can also select the default template. So you can go through your template list and choose a default template that you would like to use. So I'm going to assign test template and click on save. So here you can see now my defects inspection is now under my inspection types here. Okay. If I want to reorder this, I can drag and drop it to where I need it to appear on the list. And if I need to remove an inspection type, for example, snag inspection, I can click on it and then click on disable. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, you should now see that I have my defects inspection as an inspection type here. We did mention in our previous video how to update a report type once you've created your inspection. So I'm going to go back to the inspection that we've created. And again, if you need to update the report type after you've created an inspection, this can only be done when the inspection is in pending, assigned, active, or if it is in review. And how you will know that this is available to update is if you can see the pencil icon next to the title. So you click on the pencil icon and you will be able to update the title and update the report type click on Save. And this is how we can organize and keep track of our report types or our inspection types.